Hello, hello, hello! Sa lahat ng Leo! Magandang araw! Welcome back! At sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Miss Mo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love sa inyong Tagalog love reading. Ngayon na, Miss Mo! At today, ang gagawin natin ay yung weekly love reading para sa February 16 to 22. At habang binabasa ko tong cards, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng Leo na sumusuporta sa channel ko. At sa mga bago, please supportahan nyo na rin po by liking this video, sharing this video, and syempre subscribing to my channel. Okay, para updated na rin kayo sa mga susunod ko pang love reading. Comment na rin kayo kung mag-resonate itong reading na to. Okay, so tingnan natin yung overall energy ng reading. Second card for February, memory. Ooh! So, merong feeling of nostalgia. Merong magbabalik sa inyong alaala. Or meron din na pwedeng there's a love na nasa alaala na lang siya. Pero tingnan natin, okay? Let's explore or alamin natin ano ba yung bakit lumbas tong memory card. Sige, using tarot. At habang binabalasa ko to, I hope that this reading will resonate. Pero kung hindi, huwag pilitin kasi this is a collective reading. So it may or may not resonate. So kung hindi, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Okay? Kaya subscribe na sa channel para updated kayo sa next readings ko. Sige. Second card. Okay, 3 of coins. 2 of swords. 10 of cups. Ew. 10 of wands. Oh, 7 of swords. Page of swords. Justice. Queen of cups. 2 of cups. And 6 of coins. Oh. Okay. So, sige. 2 of swords, 10 of cups. So, nag-start siya sa 3 of coins. And then, end siya sa 6 of coins. Okay, so, there's a strong energy ng Libra. Pero, doesn't have to. Na yun yung, pwede yun yung sign ng person nyo or not. Pero yun na yung strong energy na nasasalo sa reading na to. Okay? So, sige, let's clarify. So, 3 of coins. I think this memory card is just parang nagiging nostalgic lang kayo at the moment. May mga alat-ala na parang nagbabalik. Lalo na kakatapos lang ng Valentine's Day. Diba? So, parang mayroong energy ako na nasagot na sana may love life din ako. Pero at the moment, I can sense na you're currently not in a relationship dahil nga sa naganap in the past. So, itong sa 3 of coins, I can see na in the past, merong parang nagpaplano na kayo to settle down, parang gano'n. So, pinaplano ninyo na yung life nyo together. Okay? However, nagkaroon kayo ng issue and dumating din sa point na parang ay yung parang ikaw hindi na nagkaroon ng issue na hindi na siya ma-resolve pa. Parang time na talaga to let go. Pero kasi in your yung that's the reality, pero hindi mo siya kayang harapin. Kasi para sa'yo, hindi ito yung relasyon na uh, gusto ko for uh, myself, and ito yung nakikita mo na parang um, forever. Akala mo, yun na, forever. However, hindi yun yung reality. Because in reality, this relationship is giving you so much burdens na, okay? So, as seen here with the Ten of Wands, parang too much responsibility, too much obligation na parang, alam mo yun, parang hindi na siya talaga yung relasyon na inaasam-asam mo. Parang gano'n. So, yeah. Kaya, and some more, itong person na to kasi is you found out na this person is cheating on you. Shown here by the Seven of Swords. Kaya, na-hurt ka, pero that's already in the past. That's already a memory in the past. Okay? Now, at the present, parang ang is gusto mo ng panibagong simula. Okay? And itong panibagong simula na to is gusto mo na ng something na magiging fair sa'yo yung love na darating. Alam mo, kasi in the past, merong it's very unfair, di ba? Kasi, inakala mo nga na ito na yung forever mo, but then, it became a burden because you found out that this person is cheating on you. So, nilet go mo na siya, and now you want a fresh start, and you're looking forward na magkaroon ng fairness. And yung darating na person is someone who will be provide you this sense of harmony in your life. Okay? So, and this person na paparating, okay? So, put aside that memory behind of the past kasi para ma-welcome mo yung new energy of love. Kasi itong paparating is a very loving person, as seen here by the King of Cups. Meron siyang emotional maturity, magiging devoted siya sa'yo, hindi ka niya lolokohin like in the past, and mamahalin ka niya ng todo, as shown here by the Two of Cups. Because the Two of Cups is a card of relationship and attraction. So, magiging so into you tong person na to, and you will be grateful na naging memory of the past na lang yung nakaraan. Kasi you will be grateful na nawala yun sa buhay mo kasi may nagkaroon ng space for the new person to enter your life. And as shown here by the Six of Coins. Okay, so I think parang wala naman masyadong kailangan i-clarify kasi very clear naman yung message na nakuha ko. Pero sige, bakit siya na parang naging parang burden sa'yo nung nakaraan yung past relationship? Ano yung ginawa niya? Hindi, nanloko siya. Fine. Pero, ano yung underlying reason? Eight of Wands. Okay. So si Eight of Wands is a card of parang nawala na yung excitement na pero hindi mo yung problema, no? Hindi mo rin siya kasalanan, and I will validate that. Kung nawala yung excitement niya, problema na yun. Okay? And it's already a memory in the past, so kebs na lang, diba? Kasi may bagong darating na hindi ka lolokohin, hindi magiging burden sa emotional and mental health mo. Okay? So, dito ka na sa bago, di ba? Kaya mo na yun. Maging memory na siya, and use that memory as a lesson for you to be better sa present at sa future. Sige, seal natin itong reading na to with another oracle card. Okay, elegance, o diba? Diba? Show some elegance in your life. Diba? Kapag, alam mo yun, huwag mo nang masyadong isipin yung person. Kasi, okay, so, it's time for some elegance. Kasi diba pag elegante tayo, alam mo, you're full of grace when it comes to your appearance and manner. So, kasi pag lagi mo iniisip yung nakaraan, it will have an effect on how you project yourself. Kasi nga parang may baggages ka pa. Pero pag wala na yun, magre-reflect yun sa'yo. Kaya di ba parang may sinasabi na parang, uy, blooming ka, uy, very, nag-glow ka, di ba? Kasi wala ka ng, yung mga baggages mo parang nilet go mo na and binary mo na siya in the past. So, you're living in the present and looking forward for the future. Diba? Boom! Okay, so i-manifest nyo na itong reading na to. Claim the energy. Comment na lang below. Elegance and memory. Okay? So, I hope this helps. Maraming salamat. Kita-kits muli sa aking susunod pang love reading. Dito lang yan sa aking channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno. In short, Miss Mo. Ingat!